White sauce pasta is a delicious pasta dish made with a creamy white sauce that is typically made from butter, flour, milk, and cheese. It's a classic Italian dish that's easy to make and perfect for a quick and tasty weeknight meal. To make white sauce pasta, you'll need 1 pound of pasta, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: garlic, onions, herbs, and/or vegetables of your choice. Here are the steps to follow. Cook the pasta according to the package directions, then drain and set aside. In a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. If you are using garlic or onions, add them to the pan and sauté until softened. Add the flour to the pan and whisk it in with the butter to form a roux. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, whisking constantly, until the roux turns a light golden color. Gradually whisk in the milk, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Bring the sauce to a simmer and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring frequently, until it thickens. Add the grated Parmesan cheese to the sauce and stir until it melts and is fully incorporated. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Add any vegetables or herbs you like to the sauce, and then toss in the cooked pasta. Stir everything together until the pasta is coated with the sauce. Serve the white sauce pasta hot, garnished with additional Parmesan cheese and herbs, if desired. Enjoy your delicious white sauce pasta.